Rain related words and phrases. 1. What's it like outside? Is it raining? What's the weather like? How is it outside? Is it raining? Is it still raining out? Note. Don't use, how is the weather like? When you talk about weather in English, use it. Memorize. It's 16 degrees today. Not. We have 16 degrees, or there are 16 degrees. 2. It's raining. It's spitting. Spitting is very light rain, rain that you can barely feel. It's just spitting a little. It's drizzling. Drizzling is more than spitting, less than raining. It's been raining on and off all day. On and off means starting and stopping, then starting again over a period of time. It's pouring. Pouring is very heavy rain. It is pouring rain outside. 3. It's really coming down out there. It's bucketing down. Use this sentence to describe very heavy rain. Don't say, the rain is really falling down. Don't say, it's raining cats and dogs, either, as it is old-fashioned now. 4. Take your umbrella. It looks like it's going to rain. You can wear a raincoat, waterproof jacket, rain boots, or waterproof footwear to protect yourself from getting wet in the rain. It's been raining non-stop for 3 days. It's been raining for 3 days straight. 5. We got caught in a downpour. A downpour is a sudden, unexpected, heavy rain or a lot of rain in a short period of time. We were caught in a downpour. We were caught in a storm. A storm is a combination of rain, wind, and sometimes thunder and lightning. 6. Let's stay inside until the rain lets up. The phrasal verb let up means stop completely, or at least become slower. 7. I got soaking wet. My clothes are wet from the rain. It's going to be a wet and windy day. I went out for a bike ride and got soaking wet in the rain. I got soaking wet while I was walking home in the rain. My clothes are soaking. I am soaked to the bone. 8. The forecast calls for scattered showers. A shower is a short period of rain in a small area. Scattered showers are periods of light rain happening in a few places, not just in one place. A meteorologist, a person who studies the weather, tells people what the weather will be like.